Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a brand new Hot Wheel. But before we get into that, I actually have a giveaway I'm doing on my merch store. It's a new month, so a new giveaway compared to the one given away last month. But we got the Hot Wheel RLC 71 AMC Javelin AMX. I'm giving this away to one of you guys on my merch store. All you have to do is hop on to shopemptyparadise.com. Whenever you guys make a purchase, for every $5 you spend, automatically get an entry into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And this is actually a limited run car, and this is number 213 out of 30,000. So very low number, so you don't want to miss out on that. It's a really awesome giveaway, and it could be one of your guys's. So definitely go check it out, shopemptyparadise.com. But let's go ahead and get into the new car. So it is a brand new Hot Wheel Elite 64 Bugatti Type 59. That thing looks really cool there, and I really love these packages. They look really awesome. But let's go ahead, take it out of the protector. All right. There we go. And wow, that looks really, really cool. It's really detailed and honestly kind of small. I mean, they did make it like an exact 64th scale, so it does look really small compared to a lot of other Hot Wheels. But that is a really cool, really detailed car. The picture kind of shows you like what the main car looks like, if you guys can't really tell by how tiny that is. Even the tires are even accurate, which is really cool. Like, look how skinny those are. This is such a cool casting. I think that looks really awesome. And then it's on the driver's side, which luckily they have a little window in the back so you can see it, but the exhaust that goes down, obviously right there, that looks really, really awesome. The attention to detail on this thing is amazing. Like the little rims, I know the real ones were like wire wheels, but I mean, you can't really like make that in die-cast form, or it'd be like way too expensive. But I think that looks really cool. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. I'm actually not going to be opening this one up, but I guess like the front, like a little hood area does come off or opens up or whatever. But I think that looks really cool. Even like the driver's seat looks really detailed. And like I said, the exhaust coming off the back there. But let me see if there's any other like little cool quirks. There's even like a little muffler on the exhaust. But yeah, the driver's seat is right there on the one side. You have a little detailed steering wheel and everything. And it even has like little specs right there too, if you guys were interested in reading that. But put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Also, I really like that blue color. I know Hot Wheels has kind of like brought back some blue Bugattis. I guess they're like almost like a tribute to this Type 59, which I think looks really, really cool. But another thing is even like the whole front end even has like the iconic Bugatti grille there. I don't know if you can really see it with the glare in the package, but wow, that thing is absolutely amazing. And like I said, let me know what you guys think of that in the comments down below. But also, like even like the bottom, it's like all metal. So obviously these are very detailed, very, very high quality. And that does kind of explain why they do have a kind of expensive price tag. But they even come in a really nice, awesome kind of little plastic protector as well. So I think that is really cool. But this was a really short video. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this or other videos such as a Hot Wheel case unboxing, which is coming in a video very, very soon. Actually, the one after this. So if you guys are interested in seeing a bunch of other awesome Hot Wheel videos, definitely go down and hit that subscribe button. But like I said, shopemptyparadise.com if you guys want to get entered into this giveaway. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on my merch store, a bunch of mainline premium. I even have some RLC cars, some other collector cars. But definitely go check those out, and definitely to get entered into the giveaway. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.